G'day. So my wife bought me these Aldi jack stands for the car. Working on cars. Auto XS. Any case, apparently they're good for 2 ton. And there's some more stuff down there for you. So I'm going to unbox them because I need to use them today. And see how we go. So Aldi, yeah, I don't know, Aldi has this stuff. My wife likes buying stuff. Bought something for me, so that's good. It's cost money though. Righto. Let's see what we got. So they're a cast iron, 2 ton capacity rated on there. There you go, 2 of those in the box. Bit of paper for the, I don't know, for sending out stuff to people, or just, of course, recycling. So that's like a sheet metal welded. It's fully welded on the inside. Not well on the outside. In case. Warning instructions. More warning instructions. Safe use. A user manual. Alright. 3-year warranty. Probably need the receipt. No, I don't have the receipt. Or you'll probably just fill it in and looks like you sent it to them. Well, there you go. Right from the top. Oh, sure they'll be handy. There we go, so a pair of Aldi vehicle support stands, axle stands, jack stands, what do you want to call them. See you later. Have a good day. And I discovered this. I didn't read the instructions, but I did discover this sticker. It's got this little tab in here, and it says, "Caution, bend this tab after inserting the ratchet bar." So I bent that one. So you can do that. If you don't bend the tab, this is what happens. I suppose you might drop it on your toe if you don't bend the tab. So that's pretty good. They got that, and I read that. They are made in China, so hopefully China's 2 ton is the same as my 2 ton in Australia. Anyway, I'm going to use them and see how they work. There it is, working. One of the safety instructions says to only jack up one end of the car. I got both. Anyway, it's there, and the car had a bit of a shake, and it seemed pretty stable. So there you go, Aldi jack stands, holding the car up. Thanks for watching. Bye.